Alex Hitt. I'm Marketing Manager for Hay Tools North America with AGCO Corporation.
And my name's Tom Kramer, Marketing Specialist for AGCO Hay Tools.
And today we're out in South Tennessee to harvest biomass energy crop. This is 18-foot tall sorghum, and what is great about this is we have the opportunity to show the new market that is available with the AGCO Hay Tool lineup. You're used to the traditional hay, alfalfa, grass, etc. that we might harvest with an AGCO hay product, but now you get to see the biomass energy version of what we're going to do.
We're demonstrating a WR9770 Windrower complete with a 9186 Twin Max double conditioner header. This header is also equipped with the Biomass auger kit.
So now let's take a little closer look at the crop and the product that we're in today. So now I'm here with Lucas Graham. We're still here in East Tennessee handling this 18-foot tall sorghum. Lucas, go ahead and introduce yourself and your title as well.
My name is Lucas Graham. I'm with Generic Energy. I'm the manager of feedstock production and supply for them. I handle biomass production for cellulosic ethanol facilities to process in their plants. What we're looking at today has been really impressive. Can't ask for a better end result from running this Windrower through there. It's got a nice feel to the crop as it's coming out. The crimping has been excellent. It's going to do wonders when we're running this through processing for our clients. I think it's ultimately going to be a really good fit for us in the future.
Okay, that's very good. Appreciate that. I'm glad you were able to point out some of the key features and benefits you've seen today. What, before this Windrower stepped out here, the WR series, were you thinking as alternative options?
Well, the general way that we usually handle these crops is with a forage harvester running green into the back of trucks, getting hauled in at the facility. This could offer us a better alternative to that in the future, to get the crops put in a logistically efficient manner back to the facility.
Great. So you see this not only an upfront cost benefit, but even long term as well, though, it sounds like.
Absolutely.
Great. And it's something, I guess, it's definitely given serious consideration moving forward.
Absolutely. This is the first step, but I've been very pleased so far, and I think this is going to warrant a lot more investigation in the future, and I think this has got great potential for us.
That's great to hear. We appreciate that. Thank you, Lucas.
Just laid a fresh windrow of a nice refined crop in a very baleable windrow. The crop will dry down for a day or two before our 3x4 2270 XD square baler comes and makes a bale package.
So as you can see, physically, the WR Series Windrower has just cut, conditioned, and laid down this crop right here. You now see the sorghum freshly raised. Very wet material. It's still obviously very green, which is what they want for these conditions, to cut it at what rate they want to. You can see the moisture build up on my hand even. But you can also see a very good, close, will cut to the ground. Maybe you can even question if it needs to be that close, but it is capable of doing this all day. Also the conditioning, very obvious conditioning. Hay producer might think we're cutting it too much. We're breaking the crop. For energy though, that's perfect for the baling and the drying. Now let's take a look just over here at the headlands, something we did just a couple hours ago, and see the dry down this is already done because of the Twin Max conditioners. Now you see the leaves. We're right here directly at the edge of the field. Leaves are much more dried. See the stalk, much more dried out already. This is just a couple hours difference. The material, you can just feel much more dryness to it. And then at the end of the day, no moisture even on my hands digging in. We already see the dry down taking place within a matter of hours because of the Twin Max conditioner and the WR series windrow.
The 9186 header we are viewing right now is equipped with the hydraulic assist kit. What this does is enhances feeding in tough biomass stalky crops such as the sorghum we're running in today.
Of the machine, Devin Bryant. Devin, would you want to give us just a little feedback on what's going on here today?
So what we're doing a bioenergy crop, which is energy sorghum. As if you can see in the background, we've got some real tall and it's very thick crop. So what we're getting is we have a double conditioner cutter here, and we're taking a very tall, thick stalked plant and we're pulverizing it down to this so it will bale a lot generously.
Very good. And how would you say the performance overall so far today has been?
Oh, I think it's been very, very good. We're getting across, you know, in a very timely fashion.
And then overall, just overall impression of the WR series windrower as well as the head, the razor bar.
The razor bar is spectacular. I mean, I don't think we could have anything that didn't have the speed, the head speed to really get through here and cut this without bogging down. You know, with the double crimpers, we're rolling through it. It's pulling it through real nicely. The WR series is excellent. I mean, we're no longer mechanical steering, so it just, you know, we've got a lot of control, and a lot more control features in the cab too that really makes it nice. I control like auger speed, which we used to not do that, you know, at all without getting off the machine. So that, you know, when you put that in there, smooth ride, and it does steer very well with guidance. So I don't deviate much, and that's even with the free stuff. So
great. That's a lot of good stuff on the windrower. Let me ask you, I'm going to have 3 questions to ask you real quick, focused on the head. First one is, do you think you could do this material without a double conditioning head?
I think I could do it, but I would never accomplish crushing the material like this. I don't think it would crush it at all without the double.
And then make it much tougher on the baling side.
Make it much tougher on the baling side, absolutely.
Okay.
Sure would.
So second question, could you do this without a steel-on-steel conditioner roll system?
No, there's no way. I think if you had a non-steel on steel, you'd wear out your rollers so quickly, and you're not going to get the crushing factor that you're going to get with steel on steel. I think you'll have too much give within that other material.
Okay, good point. All right, last question. The Biomass auger kit, how much of a benefit is that for this crop and condition?
You couldn't do it without it. Simple. It's that simple. You could not do it without it, because when you're in a biomass crop, we have great heights. And when we have great heights, if you don't have something kind of laying it over and gathering it in to bring it into our crimping system, which is actually narrower than the actual head, there's no way you could do it any other way.
Okay, it's great points, great stuff. Thank you, I appreciate it.
You bet, thank you.
Conclusion of this day of being able to run the sorghum with the WR series windrower, I hope you've been able to see not only the cut quality we offer, the capacity this machine has, but also the conditioning and dry down that we can achieve with our machine, the windrower itself, and the heads that we offer, the razor bar, cutter bar, the Twin Max conditioner. And even consider this with this type of abrasive material, if you are hay, if it can do this, it can do hay, because we all know Heston knows hay. Keep in mind too, anyone that's energy related. If you're thinking chopper, thinking self-forage harvester with certain types of heads, that's a great option. It's a great alternative. It's something to consider. However, today, this is proven that a WR Series windrower is also an alternative to consider at a much more financial friendly price.
Talk to your local Massey Ferguson dealer to demo a WR Series windrower today.